about to go and get an Ayurvedic facial.
It was gross. They put this like disgusting white stuff. It smelled like yogurt and lemon mixed together. And then they did a beautiful face massage and steam and a turmeric face mask. And now my skin feels amazing.
$8 a massage. So fantastic.
I'm getting a fish pedicure. These little fish are running through my toes and sucking all the dead skin off. Toya Devesa, a natural hot spring of sulfur-infused water. It looks more like an adult water world than an Ayurvedic healing centre, where guests can literally sit around a pool bar and enjoy the hot spring. Behind me is Batur, an active volcano surrounded by the Batur Lake.
It doesn't smell like sulfur, so I don't quite understand.
Live your best life.